Hello and welcome to another episode of Spare Time Gardening with me, Simon. And in this quick episode, we're just going to have a quick look at the progress in the heated propagator for the last 7 days. So that's day 8 to day 14. And as always, enjoy. So day 8 in the heater propagator. So Cosmos, again, looking great. We'll leave transplanting because again, very stringy. The petunia is looking good. We've got 5 sweet pea heirloom. We've now got 2 chilies make an appearance. We have 1 sweet pea Sweet Dreams and 2 tomatoes, and that's on day 8. So looking really good. Might need a little bit more light because they seem to be a little bit stringy, so we'll keep an eye on that and we'll do some transplanting before we sow the next lot of seeds. So day 9 in the heater propagator, everything's still coming on a treat. Sweet peas are all coming up, 2 chilies. We've got 1 of the Sweet Dreams sweet peas, and now we've got 4 out of 5 tomatoes. All looking good in the heater propagator. Day 10 in the heater propagator, but what I've done with the Cosmos and the petunia now is I've turned the heat off now that all of them have germinated. I don't think there'll be any more petunias now, just scattered a few seeds in there. I've left the heat in the other heater propagator though, so the sweet peas are still doing really well. We've now got 3 chilies, still only the 1 sweet pea Sweet Dreams, so we'll see when the others are going to make an appearance. And we have 4 out of the 5 tomatoes, so looking really good on day 10. Day 11 in the heater propagator then, so turn this one off. This is just growing nicely now. Then we've got the sweet peas and we've got chilies, although one seems to have suffered with a bit of dampening off. We'll see if that recovers. Tomatoes looking all right, and still only 1 sweet pea Sweet Dreams, so we'll see what happens with those. But day 11 still looking good. There's another sweet pea just appearing just at the back there, so looking good. Now in day 12 then, the heater propagator, everything's still looking hunky-dory. So yes, no more sweet peas. Chilies have recovered well though. Another chili there, so 4 out of 5. Still only 1 Sweet Dreams sweet pea, and we've got the 4 tomatoes. So keep an eye on those, but all looking good in the heater propagator. Won't be long before transplanting. So day 13 in the heater propagators. All this one isn't heated anymore. I've turned the heat off, but yep, still looking really good. We'll wait for their second or first true leaves. Once they develop, we'll then be able to transplant. The sweet peas are still looking good. I think there's another one coming up over there. Chilies are looking good. We've got 4 in there, which is 4 we put in. Still only the 1 sweet pea Sweet Dreams, and we've got the 4 tomatoes. So just need a bit of a water, but we'll keep an eye on that. But still looking really good for day 13 in the propagator. For now, day 14 in the heater propagator. Not much change, just putting extra growth on. The sweet peas are putting on loads of growth. Still got the 4 chilies. Still got the 4 tomatoes, but only the 1 sweet pea Sweet Dreams. So I'm not sure how long the others will take to germinate, but no sign yet. But yes, day 14 in the heated propagator. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button. And please feel free to leave your comments and feedback below. I'd love to hear from you, so don't be shy.
and of course I'll reply. See you soon!